They say aging is inevitable, but what if the secret to slowing it down has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? My mom's skin is proof that it's possible. She's 50 now, but she glows like she's barely past 30. And the wildest part? Her secret isn't some expensive cream or miracle serum. It's something she started way too late and now regrets not doing earlier. Today, I'm sharing the simple, slow aging recipe she swears by and why it works better than half the products you see online. If you start this in your 20s, you're already ahead of 90% of people. But first, you need to know why this one tiny daily habit changes everything. The mistake everyone makes. Most people in their 20s think aging is something they'll worry about later. You wake up, rush through your skincare, and maybe slap on sunscreen if you remember. You think you're safe, your skin's smooth, no wrinkles in sight. But here's the truth my mom learned the hard way. Aging doesn't start when you see wrinkles. It starts when your skin stops being protected. When she was my age, she barely cared about skincare. She'd sleep with makeup on, skip moisturizer, and live off coffee. By her mid-30s, she started noticing tiny lines around her eyes, dullness that no serum could fix, and uneven texture that no filter could hide. That's when she turned to something she remembered from her grandmother, a simple, natural blend that women in her village used for generations. And when she brought it back into her life, the results were shocking. The forgotten secret. The secret was olive oil. But not just any kind, extra virgin, cold-pressed, and stored in a dark bottle. It's one of those things that sounds too simple to work, but there's a reason Mediterranean women have some of the most radiant, wrinkle-resistant skin in the world. See, olive oil isn't just a cooking ingredient, it's a skin nutrient. It's packed with antioxidants like polyphenol and vitamin E that protect your cells from oxidative stress. That's basically the thing that makes your skin lose elasticity and glow. Every time you skip real nutrients, your skin starts breaking down a little faster. But here's what makes it powerful. When you pair it with lemon juice, something magical happens. The vitamin C in lemon brightens your skin from within, balancing the richness of the oil and helping your body process the fats more efficiently. It's not about applying it to your face, it's about nourishing your skin from the inside out. Every night, after dinner, my mom would mix a tablespoon of olive oil with a tablespoon of lemon juice and drink it. Within months, her skin tone evened out, fine lines softened, and her complexion looked alive again. But the craziest part? That's just what you can see on the outside. What happens inside your body? Most people focus on creams and treatments, but real slow aging starts deep inside your body. Olive oil supports your cells, your hormones, even your gut, and that's where youthful skin begins. When you drink a small amount daily, the healthy fats strengthen your skin barrier from within, reducing dryness and inflammation. Meanwhile, the lemon juice gently detoxifies your liver, one of the most underrated organs when it comes to beauty. When your liver's clean, your skin glows. When it's overloaded, your skin dulls and breaks out. And here's something most people don't realize. Chronic inflammation is what ages you faster than anything. It's not time, it's stress, sugar, and oxidative damage. Olive oil is one of the strongest anti-inflammatory ingredients you can consume daily, which is why people who eat a Mediterranean diet tend to look younger even in their 60s. So when my mom says, "I wish I'd started this in my 20s, she means it literally. Because that's when you can prevent the damage before it starts. The science behind the glow. Let's get real, a lot of so-called miracle routines online are hype. But this one actually has science backing it. Studies show that olive oil helps preserve collagen, that protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. When collagen starts breaking down, wrinkles deepen, but antioxidants like oleocanthal, found only in extra virgin olive oil, help slow that process. At the same time, lemon juice delivers vitamin C, the ingredient dermatologists call a brightening powerhouse. It supports collagen formation and fades pigmentation. Combined, they form a nutrient duo that targets both the causes and signs of aging. And what makes it work long-term isn't just the mix, it's consistency. That's the part most people miss. You can't do it once a week and expect results. It's like brushing your teeth. You don't see the effect overnight, but a few months later, everyone notices. My mom says she started feeling the difference before she even saw it. Her digestion improved. Her energy rose. And her skin started catching light differently, softer, smoother, almost like it was reflecting from the inside out. But there's another layer to this, something she never told me until recently. The real regret. My mom's biggest regret wasn't that she aged, it was that she didn't start protecting herself sooner. She always says, you don't age overnight. You age every time you neglect your body. She told me how, in her 20s, she would have laughed at this routine. Olive oil and lemon juice? Sounds like a salad dressing, not skincare. But now she looks at old photos of her skin in her 30s and can't believe how much it changed once she started taking care of herself from within. And she's right, youth isn't just about how you look, it's about how your body feels. This mix supports digestion, balances hormones, and even improves sleep quality. When your body works better, your skin becomes the reflection of that balance. It's not magic. It's chemistry. Timing is everything. Here's what my mom realized years too late. It's not just what you take, it's when. See, most people throw supplements and superfoods into their routine without timing them properly. But your body follows a rhythm, and when you align with that, results multiply. She always takes her olive oil and lemon blend right after dinner. Why? Because that's when your digestive system is winding down, ready to absorb healthy fats and antioxidants more efficiently. The lemon juice helps with mild detox overnight, while the olive oil keeps your stomach calm and prevents late-night acidity. If you try it on an empty stomach, it can be too harsh, especially the lemon. But after a meal, it's like sending your body a gentle reset signal before sleep. And that's exactly what aging skin needs: balance, not extremes. Pairing it with lifestyle habits. The mix alone can do wonders, but the real power comes when you pair it with small, smart habits. My mom always says, if you want slow aging, you need fast discipline. Here's what she means. Hydration first thing in the morning. Start your day with warm water. It activates your metabolism and helps flush toxins. Sleep before midnight. Your body regenerates collagen mostly between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. If you're awake scrolling through your phone, you're literally skipping your skin's repair window. Balanced fats. Don't fear healthy oils. Avocado, walnuts, and fatty fish all support the same process as olive oil. Avoid sugar spikes. Every sudden rise in sugar levels breaks down collagen faster. It's called glycation, and it's one of the biggest invisible aging triggers. She followed these for a year alongside her little drink, and the change wasn't just in her skin, it was in her energy. The kind of energy that makes people ask, "What's your secret?" And the secret isn't about doing more. It's about doing less, but doing it right. The unexpected side effects. What no one told her, and what surprised even me, is how much this tiny nightly ritual affects more than your face. Olive oil and lemon juice work on your gut microbiome, and science now says that's directly connected to your mood and brain health. She used to struggle with brain fog and fatigue. After a few months, she noticed clearer focus, fewer afternoon crashes, and even better mood stability. It's not magic. It's the anti-inflammatory power of olive oil calming down the internal chaos most of us don't even notice. And if you think it's just her, you're wrong. Researchers have found that people who consume high-quality olive oil daily have longer telomeres. Those are the little caps at the ends of your DNA strands that literally control how fast you age. The shorter they get, the faster your cells decline. Olive oil slows that process down. So, while everyone else is chasing trends, she's just sticking with what works. 1 tablespoon a day every day. The beauty industry doesn't want this talked about. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If people knew how much difference simple, natural routines make, half the beauty industry would go broke. The reason these ancient remedies fade into the background is because they can't be patented. You can't put a trademark on olive oil. You can't sell lemon juice for $80 a bottle. So they get overshadowed by fancy names, exotic ingredients, and shiny packaging. But my mom always laughs when she sees commercials promising instant glow. She says if something gives you instant results, it usually fades just as fast. Real beauty builds slowly, layer by layer, just like real strength. And maybe that's the part most people miss. Because we live in a world that rewards fast results, not consistency. But your skin? It remembers everything. The emotional truth. There's something almost poetic about seeing her now. The same woman who once ignored her skin now inspires her daughters and friends to take care of theirs, not out of vanity, but out of love. She told me something once that stuck with me. Your skin is your autobiography. Every year writes a line. You can't erase them, but you can decide how your story is told. And maybe that's the point of this whole recipe, not just to look younger, but to age better. To stay vibrant, glowing, and confident through every decade. So if you're in your 20s and you think it's too early to care, you're already late. If you're in your 30s or 40s and think it's too late to start, you're still early. Because slow aging isn't about turning back time, it's about slowing it down just enough to enjoy every stage of it. Putting it all together. Here's the full ritual, step by step, just like my mom does it. Use only extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil. Look for a dark glass bottle or tin, that's how you know it's real. Add 1 tablespoon to a small glass. Squeeze in equal parts lemon juice. Fresh is best, bottled versions lose vitamin C fast. Stir gently. No metal spoons, wood or glass keeps the nutrients intact. Drink after dinner. Follow it with a small sip of water to balance the taste. Do it daily. Not once a week. Not when you remember. Every single day. Because slow aging isn't a one-time thing, it's a lifestyle. The thought that stays with you. Imagine this. 10 years from now, you look in the mirror and your skin still glows, your energy's high, and people keep asking what you've done differently. The truth is, you didn't buy into the hype, you just started early. You stayed consistent. That's what my mom wishes someone had told her in her 20s. So now she's telling you, through me, before it's too late to start. Because one day, you'll look back and realize aging isn't something that happens to you. It's something you guide, one small choice at a time. And maybe that choice starts tonight, with a tablespoon of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. So here's the question. If the secret to slow aging is this simple, what's really stopping you from trying it? You don't need luxury creams or 12-step routines. Just a moment of care, a daily habit, and the discipline to stay consistent. Start now while your skin still listens. Because one day, you'll wish you had. And when you see your reflection years from now, smooth, glowing, and alive, you'll remember this moment and smile.